in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Facebook lead ads to your Pipedrive CRM automatically through Zapier. And it's actually quite simple automation that you're going to be creating, but there's a few critical steps that you kind of need to know when you're making it. But so the outcome of this tutorial is going to be that you're going to have an automation where every time a new lead is generated in Facebook lead ads, it's going to be automatically be sent either to a deal or a lead section in your Pipedrive. So let's hop in and let's get started on the automation. First, we'll start with the trigger. So the trigger in Zapier will be Facebook lead ads. So you'll go here and you just search for Facebook lead ads and select it, and then use new lead as the trigger event. And then choose your the account that your ads are under from here. Press continue. I just have an example page here. So you select the page that the leads that you're advertising under, and then you'll choose the form. If you don't choose any specific form, then it will, if you leave the default selection, then it will basically take leads from any of the forms that you're advertising under. And then just go here and you're basically good to go. Continue. And the next stage or the next action you're going to be creating. So first we have the trigger. So the trigger will be new lead every time a new lead is generated into Facebook lead ads. And then the action will be, first of all, to create a person in Pipedrive. This will be for the reason that now you have this person, the file of a person in Pipedrive where everything that's connected, or every conversation, every deal you make is connected to this one person. So this is a really good way to kind of, if you have, because you could have multiple deals with one person, and then you might have, back and forth conversations with this person, and then Pipedrive is able to kind of track those conversations if they're all connected to one person. So you want to create the person first in Pipedrive and then create the deal based on that, or link the deal you're creating to the person. So you select, you go here and you select an action that's going to be Pipedrive, and then the action event is going to be create a person. And then you connect your Pipedrive account here. You click continue, and then what you will be doing is you will be adding all the personal information about the lead. So here you would be adding a name. I don't have the name in the test lead, but I'll just use an example form. And then if you want, you can add some kind of a prefix. So for example, you could add the lead source to indicate where it came from, like this. Then you would add any other information that you want to add to the person. So for example, email, phone number, first name, last name. And then one thing that you kind of need to take into consideration is that your lead ads might have other information that Pipedrive is not giving you the input field directly. And the way to kind of add those input fields would be to go to Pipedrive and then select on the upper right corner company settings, and then go to data fields, and then adding a custom field from here. So you could add here whatever information or address or whatever information is is crucial to you that you want to kind of pull from the lead ads. I've already added one data field that's information. That's just going to be, general input field that you can put whatever fields from the lead ad. So basically, like in this information field, like you could basically have like a bunch of different things. You could basically format the information in this way if you want. and then just every time select the data field from the Facebook lead that you want to pull the information from to this specific section, like this. All right, then you click continue. You can try to do a test. Let's see that it works. All right, looks good. Continue, and then now we're gonna be creating a deal. Oh, and yeah, so I'm creating a deal, but you can also create a lead. So basically, what's the difference between deal and a lead in Pipedrive? Well, they're basically both deals, but I think the way Pipedrive kind of segments those is that a deal is a little bit more warmer contact or a prospect, and then just a basic lead is a little bit colder prospect. So maybe with a deal you've already had some back and forth, and with a lead maybe you haven't had any kind of contact before. So based on if you want, either way is fine. I mean, I usually like it kind of depends on what kind of information you have, or what kind of leads you are generating from your Facebook lead ads, and based on that you would either put them in the lead or the deal section. So in this example, I'm just going to be putting them into the the deal section. Continue, and then from here, what you would do is then pull the information from the the fields that you've created in the second step. So you would take the name, you would add whatever information. So basically from here, if you add the information field from the step 2, it will basically take all of the information that we put in the second step in this field, and then it would just bring all of that information to the deal section here. And if you want to select a specific stage from here that they're going to be in the pipeline, then you select it from here, and whatever else information you need to add, you would add it here. And then to link it to a person, so this is a really important step, is to link it to a specific person. So this would be the person that we just created in this automation. So the ID would be here. So now it will link the deal to the person that will be created from this automation. And then click continue, and then all right, let's try it out. I was too fast to publish it, so let's go back here and retest the step, and let's see how it looks on the Pipedrive. So let's go to the deal section, and here we go. Here we see that we now have the deal, and then it's linked to a specific person. So here it will have all the information about the person, and whatever information you're going to be pulling from the Facebook lead to the to your deal section here. All right, and that's it basically. That's how you do the automations. You basically create a trigger that you create a trigger that kind of starts the automation every time a new lead comes into your Facebook lead ads, and then from that automation you create a new person, and then you create a deal that's linked to that person. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.